to Ranch Hacks. Today we're going to do Western sounds of the Eastern Slopes. Today we got Markus Sommer here, a friend of mine. He's going to play some songs. He also builds custom branding irons, so if you're in the market for that, you can check him out. How can they find you, Markus?
I'm on all the streaming platforms and social media and all that crazy stuff, and then also on my website, markussommersongs.com.
And Markus has an album out. What's the name of your album?
It's called True Sounds of the West. Came out last February.
All right, and he's going to play you a song right now. Check it out.
The song's called Renegade. Father, the heart, the lion, I'm told. He ruled with heart, hoof, and teeth. And the blood bay I am, I owe to him. And I hold my head high like he. Mother was lost to a cannonbone break, like a shot just below the knee, mixed in the dirt like buffalo bones. And I suppose the wolves need to eat. Herded by a bird, screamed like thunder. Never seen so much post and rail. Born in the dust, in search of water. Never once did I follow your trail. So they took us away in rolling dark caverns, side by side, and hoof to hide. Some were better off this way, but two of my brothers, they died. So I was bought and sold and traded with ease, when I would not abide to set me free. This barren land's no place for human to live, a renegade gelding like me.
Great song. All right, that's Markus Sommers, and we'll see you next time on Ranch Hacks. Thanks for watching.